1 year from today, you could have $10,000 sitting in your bank account. Not because you got lucky, not because you got a huge raise, and definitely not because you won the lottery. You could have it because you followed a simple system that most people never use. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how it works. But first, I need to destroy one lie that keeps millions of Americans broke. The lie is this: I'll start saving when I make more money. Sounds reasonable, but it's completely wrong, because there are people making $40,000 a year with money in the bank. And there are people making over $100,000 living paycheck to paycheck. The difference isn't income. The difference is a system. Most people save what's left after spending. Successful savers do the opposite. They save first and spend what's left. That's called paying yourself first, and it changes everything. Now, let's do the math. To save $10,000 in 1 year, you need about $834 per month. That sounds scary until you break it down. That's just $29 a day. $29. And here's the crazy part. Most people are already spending that much without realizing it. Subscriptions they forgot about, impulse Amazon purchases, delivery fees, convenience spending, tiny expenses that add up to thousands of dollars every year. Here's a challenge. After this video, open your bank account and look through the last 30 days. I guarantee you'll find purchases you completely forgot making. That's where your savings are hiding. Start with subscriptions. Most people can free up $50 to $100 per month immediately. Then use the 24-hour rule. If something costs more than $30, wait 1 day before buying it. You'll be surprised how many must-have purchases disappear overnight. Next, negotiate your bills. Call your phone company or internet provider and ask for a better rate. A 5-minute conversation can save hundreds of dollars per year. Now let's say you save $500 per month from smarter spending. You still need about $300 more. That's only $75 per week. One extra shift, a few freelance gigs, selling things you don't use anymore. The goal suddenly becomes realistic. But none of this works without automation. Set up an automatic transfer the same day your paycheck arrives. Move money into savings before you have a chance to spend it. Because motivation comes and goes. Systems don't. And that's the secret. Building your first $10,000 isn't about being smarter. It's not about being lucky. It's about following a system long enough for it to work. 1 year from now, the time will pass anyway. The only question is, will you still be saying, "I'll start someday"? Or will you be looking at $10,000 in your account? If you're working toward your first $10,000, subscribe for more videos on money, investing, and financial freedom. And tell me in the comments, what's the biggest thing stopping you from saving money right now?